back to that pole.
I think those might be.
Those are ducks.
I think these are ducks.
Yeah,
over
they're
here.
ducks. They're ducks. Take them, kill them. Oh, I smoked that boy. I got that one. Where's the one on the ground? Is he still here? I don't know where he is. There's one. I got him. There's one going way down.
One way down there.
I think the wind's wrong with it.
I heard him quacking, I thought.
You think it's because of the wind?
Look at that group right there.
Yeah, I think our wind's a little messed up. They don't want to land right. Are those ducks there?
Yeah.
Hey guys, that flak, look above them. There's ducks coming in.
Yeah.
Guys. Yep.
Oh, if they come over.
Oh, turn right for us. Giant.
You guys want to just take a poke at them?
Yeah.
Ready? Set. Go.
Nothing. Oh,
Feathers.
shit. Ducks right here. Ducks right by the red tree.
Fall in the river.
Hey, there's a group going north about to hit this
Couple
power
groups
line right
behind us.
now.
Oh, right there. Coming our way. Coming our way. Coming our way, Charlie. Right there. We better move.
Yeah, they're coming. They're coming.
I think they are.
Call.
Yeah, right there.
What's coming?
Oh, I think so.
Relatively close. They're in between us and the river.
Take them. I didn't know I shot you that.
Nice shot, buddy. Oh, is he going down?
He's got one straight out from here to the left.
Woo-hoo.
Those finished pretty good.
Yeah, that was good.
They're widgets.
Yeah, we need Ready?
Take them.
Hey, right above us. Stay in,
Nice.
stay in,
Get
stay
those because those are widget and those are
No, we need those.
That'll help finish your limit. They're widget.
in.
So they'll help finish your limit.